Is Apple running out of ideas? I mean, we've got some rumored upgrade with the new iPhone 16, but are this upgrade really worth it? Or Apple is just recycling some old tricks from Android, upscaling it and slapping it on their latest devices? Before you go out there and drop your hard-earned money on these newer devices when they are released, let me walk you through these 7 major upgrades. Then you get to decide if they live up to your expectations. What's going on, everyone? Abdul here. And in this video, we are going to be deep diving into the iPhone 16 model. With its announcements coming up very soon, it's already generating some massive wave in the smartphone industry. With a lot of rumored upgrade, particularly in AI and photography, this device could completely change what we expect from our smartphones. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, take a moment and think about the issues we had with the previous lineup of the iPhone. Sure, they are great phones with good overall performance and decent battery lives, but sometimes during those long busy days, they tend not to live up to it. And the camera, while giving us a solid overall performance, it still leaves us wanting more in low light conditions. Don't even get me started on the lack of customization, but it is rumored that iPhone claims to have fixed all of that issues. So let's see if it really delivers. First off, we have all-day battery life. The iPhone 16 is rumored to last up to 30 hours on a single charge, which really is a massive game changer if you are always on the go. Next is the camera system. It is rumored that Apple will be upgrading the ultra-wide lens of their Pro series to a whopping 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, overall offering stunning low-light performance and improved optical zoom. Third is the display. For the Pro Max, we might be getting a slightly larger screen and even sharper screen, making it more vibrant, which is just perfect for video gaming and consuming content. This time around, all the Apple lineup might be getting a 120Hz refresh rate across the board. Moving on the chipset, which is rumored to be the A18 Bionic, it promises lightning-fast performance with enhanced graphical processing, making multitasking and gaming even more smoother than ever, and it gives power to all of the AI processing the device comes with. Then, we might be getting a new physical button, which is called the capture button. Though it's not clicky, it's haptic instead, which means it responds to pressure, just like the shutter button on your DSLR camera, and it is mainly used in zooming in or taking photos or videos. Next, we have the customization feature. Never seen like ever before on an Apple device, the iPhone 16 now allows you to customize your home screen with widgets of your own preference, giving you a total control of what your device looks like, which brings about uniqueness of devices. Finally, it's no news that all new tech devices are now leaning towards AI implementation, and Apple is not exempted, as they have joined the trend by introducing their all-new Apple Intelligence, which have some mind-blowing AI features like never seen before on an Apple device. Now, I want to know what you personally think about this. Which of these upgrades are you more excited about? Or do you think Apple missed their shot this time around? Drop your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'm really curious to hear your take about this, and if you did enjoy this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification not to miss out on any of my tech updates. Well, with that being said, catch you the next one. Peace out.